It's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, auto-track 4-wheel drive, engine auto stop-start feature, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth streaming audio, Chevrolet 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and Ecotec 3 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.